This is TWiT.
A couple of recalls. Apple, we mentioned, I think, last week that 2015 MacBook Pro has a battery problem. You will be contacted by Apple, or, of course, you go to the Apple site. There's a serial number checker. And now we're learning that some MacBook Airs are having trouble with the motherboard. It affects 2018 MacBook Airs with the Retina display and Touch ID. I have one of those, but I think, according to your article in iMore, that you should just go to the Apple site and enter the serial number, or how would you know?
Yeah, Apple typically has you. Go ahead, Lori.
No, you go ahead, Renee.
See, when I said your article, actually, I was talking to Danny Zapata, but since he's not with us.
I did the previous one, I think, and then he did the next one. I got confused, too.
You would go to the Apple site and enter your ID number for your computer to find out if it's within the time frame of the recall.
Okay, so
or the replacement.
So basically, you go to support.apple.com/exchange_repair. That's the link Danny put in the article. They haven't yet added it to the list of exchange and repair extension programs here. The 15-inch MacBook Pro, though, is. Yeah. And so you click that link.
Some people were wondering, like, why some of these things, which seem like niche issues, get so much attention. Like, but you have to consider what it is. Like, if Apple has a battery supplier that says we've discovered a problem with a run of batteries, those can fail critically. Right. And you can't mess around. Those, like, we know exactly which parts here are, which machines they're in. You please stop using those. Bring them back to us. We will fix it. There's no wiggle room in that kind of stuff. Other stuff, there's a whole bunch of different criteria it has to meet, but nobody messes around with batteries.
Yeah, and that's why they're repairing a 2015 MacBook Pro well out of warranty. Yeah. Because it's just dangerous. Now, these MacBook Airs are probably still under warranty. I don't know. They say a very, very small number of models are being affected.
Yeah, but they said that about the keyboard.
Yeah.
It is. I mean, that's the game, because they at 100 million customers, it's a small number. 1% of 100 million is, it's a small percentage, but it's not a small number.
So this would be an argument for registering your MacBook Air or any Apple product, because they're going to email people with affected MacBook Airs. So make sure they have a current email for you.
I think if it's the current one, then that's October, and you would have regular Apple Care up until October anyway.
Okay, good. Apple's documents list symptoms as issues with power, but don't say what problems users are having. So, thank you, Danny. Thank you, iMore, as always, for writing that.